Adding a Likert scale to your Qualtrics survey allows you to measure attitudes or opinions across a range of agreement or disagreement. Here's how to add a Likert scale in Qualtrics. Log into Qualtrics. Go to Qualtrics and sign in with your account credentials. Open your survey. From the dashboard, select the survey you wish to edit or create a new survey. Click on the survey title to enter the survey editor. Add a new question. In the survey editor, click on the plus Create a new question button. A new question box will appear. Select question type. Click on the question type drop-down. Select matrix table from the list of options. This is the format used for creating Likert scales. Configure the matrix table. Rows. Enter the statements or items you want respondents to rate. Each statement will be a separate row. Columns. Enter the Likert scale options such as strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree. You can customize these labels as needed. Customize the Likert scale. You can further customize the scale by using features like validation and randomization. Save and preview. Click Save to apply changes. Preview the survey to see how the Likert scale questions will appear to respondents.